So, just changed the shower filter. There is AquaBliss brand that I ordered from Amazon. And I am concerned about the filtration actually filtering the water. Because when I do this, okay, take my water tester here, turn it on. Sorry, I am not the best person for making videos, because holding stuff and doing stuff at the same time is like, what? Whoa. Look at that. What is going on there? Somebody please tell me I'm using the wrong tester or something. Because if this is testing the contaminants in the water, then it should be the same, right, for drinking water and shower water. And yeah, that does not seem to be what's going on here. Now, on the back of this, it tells you what you should be looking for. And I'm still not sure if that is, like, because it says that 300 on the back of here. By the way, I also got this tester off Amazon. On here it says 300 is acceptable for your average tap or drinking water. And then it reads, like I said, on the thing here, like your indicator for drinking water is supposed to be green. Look, here I go again. Can't hold it and do it. Okay, so one or two things is happening here. Either the tester is lying, or this water filter is not filtering anything. If somebody knows the answer, please get back to me and let me know what's going on here. That's all I want to know, is how can I get actual filtered shower water without spending thousands of dollars, because that was the idea. Okay, thank you.
This video is testing the AquaBliss water. So this one is the water before I've changed the filter, and this one is after I changed the filter. And this is a electrolyzer. I just turned it on, and it takes about a minute, and then you can see the effect of the electrolyzer. Basically what it does, it shows you what's in the water, what's hidden in the water. Yellow is dissolved oxygen, trace elements, and various organic minerals. Black is heavy metals. And then white, red, blue, green, but I'm not seeing any of those. I'm basically just seeing yellow. It's not making any difference between the AquaBliss or the filter before or after. Actually, the one on the right is fizzing a little bit more, the one that has the filter, and it's got black spots. Well, both have black spots in it. So it's not taking out the heavy metals, and it's not taking out the dissolved oxygen or trace elements. They look both exactly the same. I'd actually say the one with the filter is a little bit darker, and it's fizzing more, or whatever that means. But yeah, it's definitely the one on the right with the filter. It looks like it's actually making it worse, like more green, which is pretty disgusting actually. So this water is totally contaminated. Okay, so I live in South Florida, Miami, and this is a really filthy water situation.
Remove. But yes, this does work. The filter does work. Just so you know, they say that I think it lasts like 2 or 3 months or a certain amount of showers or something like that. But what I did notice was that the water pressure does drop. My water pressure was dropping a lot over the shower, but I didn't think it was this because I felt like it was far too soon. So I guess it depends on, you know, your water in your area, you know. But this kind of did wear out kind of quick. I didn't think it was actually the filter that was dropping my water pressure. But when I did open up the case, that silver case that you put the filter in, it did have a ton of buildup here. And when I put the shower head back on, the water pressure increased again. It was back to normal. So that's a good note to keep in mind, that when your water pressure drops, it's probably time to change the filter. Okay, so this does work, and if you're interested, go ahead and get yourself one. It's good for your health. Peace.